you doing?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no, put it on the house. Good job. Yeah, gingerbread house. We're making a gingerbread house. Who lives in a gingerbread house?
Where? Where?
Does a gingerbread man live in a gingerbread house? Yeah.
Where? Yay! Oh.
Is it falling?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There you go. What's on your hand? Good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, put it on the house.
Yeah.
How's it going? You making the house pretty?
Yay!
Are we sharing candy with Zoe? Are we sharing the pretties with Zoe?
No.
No.
No way.
No way.